Hello guys, today I would like to share with you one of the most effective trading strategy that I always prefer. Let's have a look at this strategy. I call it the break and retest strategy. The reason I call that the break and retest strategy is because it comes at a certain level and then it breaks the support, the resistance, the point of resistance, and then again it come and retest at that point again. So if we have a look at this strategy, the market will come and then at a certain level the market bounces back a little bit, and then after that it comes and break that point, that tail that it left out there, and break, and then after that it has to make a turn back to that point, that the tail of the previous part of the market. And then after that, and then that's how we know that this is a break and retest strategy that we must apply in there. It is moving under that formation. So let's have a look at it. But first, let's understand what does this means. What does it mean whenever we see something like this? This strategy means that whenever you see this formation, means that we are going to have a long sell, a very long sell. It might take some hours selling. So if you see something like this, start to be ready. If you don't have your funds in your account, you just fund your account and just go and say sell, because you are going to have a very long sell. So you just maybe come around, maybe around at the peak, at each peak, or whenever it comes and retest, and then you start to sell at the peak of your retest, and then you let the market flow. In most of the cases, it will give you a very great profit. It will go under a sell for a very long period of time. Let's take it to the real market. Let's take it to the trading platform and try to prove it. Let us have a look at our jump turn right now. If we have a look at our jump turn right now, we can see it obeys what I just said. It comes from a certain point selling and bounce at a certain point, leaving a tail, and then it goes up, and then after going up it then make a turn. After turning, it then break the point of resistance, and then after breaking, it comes back to retest at the same point of the market, at the same point at which the tail of the last part was at. And then after that, it comes and repeat the same process, repeating the same process. What I just said on the market is just what I've just said about this strategy, is that if you obey something like that, there will be a very long sell. So let us have a look at it. As we can see, we had a very long sell. You see, it was under a 30 minutes time frame, but we can see it made a sell for a long amount of time. So as you can see, imagine if you took your sell, then it would have been a very, very great profit. This strategy will never fail you, You see, you will be gold right now. You would have made too much amount of money. So as you can see, if you still hold, it's still going down. If you observe from here to here, it's still going down. it is still going down. What I like about this strategy is that it will never lead you wrong. Once you analyze it correctly, you do as I said, you won't go wrong. Let us have our next example, which is the step index. You see it's under a 1 hour time frame. As you can see, it does the same. It bounces from a certain point going up after that, and then after that it breaks that point and then coming back to retest. And then this is just a repetition of that one. It's just showing that it is repeating that formation. After that formation, you can see it's going down. You can see, as I have explained, that we are going to have a long sell. You see it has sold. It was a very long sell, this one, and it is under a 1 hour time frame, which means too much profit would have been generated. Too much profit and would have been generated. Imagine from here to here, look at the profit. Too much profit by now. So if you find something like that on the market, don't leave it. Just pick your sell and then you relax, you sit back and relax, and then everything will all be fine on its own. That's what I like about this strategy. It will never lead you astray. So that's it for now, guys. If you have any question, you can leave them on the comment section, and you can also subscribe. I'll be dropping some premium